Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to block ads on Android phones on the home screen. Apps like Messenger and Truecaller require such permissions to show bubble, chat ads, and identify incoming callers. However, some sketchy apps trick users into allowing permissions and keep sending ads on the home screen. When you receive such ads, look for the app name that sent them on the home screen after you identify those apps. The steps below to turn off the permission. 1. Long tap on the app icon and open the app info menu. 2. Scroll down to display over other apps. 3. Turn off the allow display over other apps toggle. Just note, if you no longer need the app, uninstall it from the same app info menu so you can get rid from its ads. You can also do it using a DNS service. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap Connections. Select More Connection Settings. Open Private DNS Options. Choose the private DNS provider hostname option, then type your preferred DNS service such as family.adguard.dns.com. Tap Save to activate the ad guard, which gonna help you stop the ads on the entire Android phone. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.